Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Happy Rich Mama. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you for coming by. Happy Rich Mama is cooking Lumpiang Buko with shrimp today.
Mamamatay, ano tayo, shrimp. Oh my God. Ay, boy, boy. We were using very fresh shrimp and they jumped.
Our ingredients are sweet potato, pepper, salt, buko or the meat of the coconut. It can be red or white onion, and shrimp. Shrimp is a very important ingredient that gives the flavor. And since we're using coconut that is not as thick as I wanted, then we added sweet potato to give some body. Some kick with the red onion, but white is good for sweetness. Black pepper is really important also in this dish. Put all the ingredients together in a dish and start mixing. I learned how to cook this dish from my mother when I was still at a very young age, and although she seldom cooks this dish, I remember it because I love the flavor of the shrimp with the buko and the pepper. So on rare occasions that I have the opportunity to create this dish, I do so with fond memories of my ina. So next we prepare the wrapping for the lumpia, which is bought in the market, and it's about 10 pieces per package, and you have to separate each one, and then this is how we do the wrapping. We did the cooking while we were in Coron, Palawan with my sister-in-law, Darling, and now I'm doing the voiceover. We are anticipating the coming of Karding, and I can hear it over my voice now. Some people use egg whites or egg yolk to seal the wrapper, but I just use plain water. It is best to scoop almost the same amount for each lumpia so that you have some kind of a uniform measurement for each one. Cooking is a very pleasurable task. It's much like driving. It's mechanical. You don't think much about it, like when you're wrapping the lumpia. And you get to go places in your mind or think of what other things you have to do, and maybe even dream about good things coming up in the future. Presenting fried lumpia buko with shrimp. We fried it in coconut oil. Yummy! Dip in vinegar with sliced onions and labuyo. Travels, gardens, Ikinobo, Ikebana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.